welcome to Steam Culture. Well, you know, Iceland is known for a lot of things. Ice, land, and jewel. Actually, she's from Alaska. But it's also known for this sweet rye bread called Rúgbrauo. And it's very tasty, or at least it's very tasty looking. And an interesting note is it's made from steam that come from geothermal springs. Now, Iceland is known for tons and tons and tons of geothermal springs. They have spas. They actually power their electrical system using the steam to turn turbines. And we did an episode, we're gonna flash it up here for you, so you can go look at it if you didn't get to see it. But these geothermal springs exist because of hot, molten magma that is below the Earth's surface. Well, there's lots of pools of water down there, from underground streams and rivers to rainwater that's seeping in. Well, that water gets superheated to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which means superheated, under pressure, it is not boiling. That's my phone ringing, but we're gonna keep rolling right on through. All right, let me turn the ringer off, because this is a good take, by gosh. So that water gets heated. Now, as it comes to the Earth's surface and it comes to atmospheric pressure, it boils at 212 degrees. What's going on is, all the surface water, it boils that surface water, and you create these little pockets, as you can see in the video. Well, they mix up this bread mixture, they put it in a pot, they stick it in those pockets of boiling water, cover it with dirt for 24 hours, and voila, out comes Rúgbrauo. Now, interesting note, it's also called thunder bread because eating an excessive amount is known to cause flatulence, which in the Falcone household is known as farting, which is also a national pastime. So, go get some Rúgbrauo. I don't know where you'd get it, but you can probably order it online because you can do everything online. You know what else you can do online? You can find us, because we have content for you each and every week. I will get to work on something for you for next week. Have a good weekend.